A beautiful good morning to my dear children. Welcome back to Maths online class. In the previous class, we have discussed addition and subtraction of the fractions. Today, we will discuss proper and improper and mixed fractions. Proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. Here 3 by 4 example, numerator is 3, denominator is 4. So this is the proper fraction. 3 by 4 is the proper fraction. Next, improper fraction, quite opposite of proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the or equal to the denominator. Here 12 by 5. 12 is numerator, 5 is denominator. Denominator is smaller than the numerator. So this fraction is called improper fraction. Some example 12 by 5, 7 by 3, that like. Next, mixed fraction. A number that contains a whole number and a fraction. Here whole number 7, 2 by 3 is fraction. This is called mixed fraction. 7, 2 by 3. Everyone open your textbook page number 88. First one, encircle the proper fraction. We know what is proper fraction. A proper fraction which is the numerator less than the denominator. Here denominator 9, numerator 6. So this is the proper fraction, circle it. Second one, here this is numerator denominator, numerator only greater, so this is not proper fraction. Here numerator is smaller, denominator is greater, that's why this is proper fraction. And this one not proper fraction because numerator is greater, no, that's why. Here 10 by 15, 10 by 15, 10 by 15 also proper fraction. Next 7 by 18, 7 by 8, 7 by 8 also proper fraction because here numerator is smaller than the denominator, okay. Next 9 by 4, 9 by 4 is not a proper fraction because numerator is greater, no, than the denominator, that's why. This one also proper fraction, numerator is smaller than the denominator, so 13 by 16, this is also proper fraction. Numerator is smaller than the denominator, that fraction called proper fraction. Okay dears, all these circled fractions are proper fractions. So you have to circle your textbook. Okay, next, encircle the improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Quite opposite from the proper fraction is improper fraction. Encircle the improper fraction. 3 by 7. Here denominator greater, numerator smaller. So this is proper fraction. They are asking improper now. So 8 by 4. Denominator is smaller, numerator is greater. Numerator is greater than the denominator. That fractions are called improper fractions. Here this one proper fraction. Next 13 by 5. This is also improper fraction. Improper fraction. 10 by 2. Here also numerator is greater than the denominator. So circle this fraction also. Next 20 by 11. This one also improper fraction. 13 by 21. 13 by 21. This is proper fraction. Don't circle it. Here 42 by 7. 7 is smaller than the numerator. Okay, so that's why this one is circled. So encircle the improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Which is it? Denominator is smaller, numerator is greater. Okay, numerator is when numerator is greater than the denominator, that fractions are called improper fractions. Okay, circle these all fractions. We know already how to write mixed fractions. Mixed fractions having fraction and whole number, which is having fraction and whole number, that are called mixed fractions. Here only fraction, this number having whole number and fraction. So circle is, these are called mixed fractions. Okay. Which number having 3 digits, 1 whole and numerator denominator, these are called mixed fractions. Very easy, circle it. These all write your textbook page number 88. Okay. Everyone open your textbook page number 89. Convert the following improper fractions into mixed fractions. Here given improper fractions, convert into mixed fractions. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So these are improper fractions. So only improper fractions convert into mixed fractions. Okay, this is improper fraction. Now divide 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3 minus 1. Remainder, quotient, divisor. One formula is there. Mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. One formula is there. Q R by D. What is Q here? Q is quotient 1, remainder 1, divisor 3. So, mixed fraction is 1 by 3. Therefore, 4 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Remainder should be write down. Quotient should be kept aside. And divisor is a quotient should be kept a mixed number. Quotient. Next, remainder should be the right numerator. Remainder right should be the numerator. And divisor is denominator. Divisor is denominator. Here divisor is denominator. That like we have to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. Next, second one. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. So, remainder, quotient, divisor. Therefore, 5 by 3 is equal to Q R by D is equal to, quotient should be right. Mixed number. Quotient should be a mixed number, and remainder write as the place of numerator, and denominator should be write down. Divisor is write the place of denominator. 3. 1, 2 by 3. Third one. 10 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7, 3. Remainder, quotient, divisor. So 10 by 7 is equal to Q R by D. Q R by D. Q1, remainder 3, D. 7. Divisor 7. 1, 3 by 7. Fourth one, 13 by 4. 4 3s are 12 minus 1. So 13 minus 12, 1. 1 is remainder, 3 is quotient, divisor is 4. As we know already rule, Q R by D. Quotient should be right there, mixed number 3. Remainder should be as the place of numerator divisor should be the place of denominator. So 3 1 by 4. Fifth one is 12 by 7. 7 ones are 7 because 7 twos are 14, no greater number. That's why we have to take here 7 ones are 7. 12 minus 7, 5. Quotient, remainder, divisor. Okay, divisor. Therefore, 12 by 7 is equal to QR by D. Okay, let's write Q1 mixed number, R right numerator, D divisor right denominator. 1 5 by 7. Next 11 by 5. 5 twos are 10. Remainder, quotient, divisor. Therefore, 11 by 5 is equal to QR by D. QR by D. 2 is mixed number. 1 is should be right the numerator. Divisor should be right the denominator. Okay. 11 by 5 is equal to 2 1 by 5. Next, 7th one, 14 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 14 minus 9, 5. 5 is remainder, 1 is quotient, 9 is divisor. Therefore, 4 by 9 is equal to 14 by 9 is equal to QR by D. 1 is the mixed number, quotient, mixed number. 5 is numerator, should be the right the place of numerator. Divisor should be right the place of denominator. 9. 14 by 9 is equal to 1 5 by 9. Then when we convert a mixed number into improper fraction, here we have to multiply, here we have to add. 1 9s are 9, 9 plus 5, 14 by 9. This like we have to again convert into mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. This like, so both are same now. 8th one, 19 by 10. 10 ones are 10. So subtract, we get remainder 9. Remainder, quotient, divisor. So now mix improper fraction, we have to write as mixed fraction. Q R by D. Q is the mixed number 1. Next R should be right the place of numerator 9. Divisor should be right the place of denominator. Okay. Next 9th one, 14 by 3. Now divide 14 by 3. 3 4s are 12. Next number 3 5s are 15 greater. No, that's why we have to take here 3 4s are 12. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Remainder is 2. Quotient is 4. Divisor is 3. Let's write improper fraction into mixed fraction. What is the formula? QR by D. Then we have to substitute this. 4 is the mixed number quotient and R should be right the remainder should be right the place of numerator and divisor should be right the place of denominator. Okay. Next 10th one, 18 by 5. 5 3s are 15. 8 minus 5, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 is remainder, 3 is quotient, divisor is 5. Therefore, 18 by 5 is equal to, quotient should be right the mixed number, remainder should be right the place of numerator and divisor should be right the place of denominator. Remaining 11th 12th problem, write your homework book. Next, this is the mixed number. How to convert again this number improper fraction? Here we have to multiply mixed number into denominator. Then we have to add numerator. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18. Again we have to write what denominator here is there. So write this like. This is the process of convert into mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here both are same, no? That's why we have to write this like. Okay. Next we have to go to another Roman. Second one, change the following mixed numbers into improper fraction. Children, these were already discussed, so you have to write at the same time classwork book and textbook also. These two problems write your homework book, 11th one, 12th one. Next, second Roman, change the following mixed numbers into improper fraction. Here, improper fractions convert into mixed fractions. Here, mixed fractions convert into improper fractions. When we convert improper fractions into mixed fraction, we know. So, here we have to multiply, then add. Okay? Next, change the following numbers, mixed fractions into improper fractions. Here mixed fractions. So, here into, then add. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Here 3 write as the place of denominator. Again we have to write denominator. Okay, next. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 3. Third one, into plus. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Very easy, dears. Yes. Next, fourth one, into plus. First you have to keep kept here into plus. 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 by 7. Next, fifth one, into plus. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Next, sixth one, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. Then, seventh one, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 1, 50. Again, denominator directly here write as a place of denominator. Next, eighth one, into plus. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4. Again you have to write here. Next, here, ninth one, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23 by 5. Remaining 3 problems, write your homework book. At the same time, you have to write your textbook and classwork notebook also. Everyone, open your textbook page number 91. When we multiply, here multiplication of the fraction with a number. When we multiply a number, only we have to multiply numerator by whole number. Okay? Whole number we have to by only we have to multiply only by numerator. 2 2s are 4. 4 by 3. Okay? 4 by 3. Next. Here numerator 4. 4 4s are 8. 16. 16 by 8. Next. 10 2s are 20. 20 by 3. 20 by 3. Next, 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 20 by 9 denominator. Multiply it with whole number and numerator. Okay. 3 5s are 15 by 7. 15 3s are 45 by 5. 3 7s are 21 by 8. 22s are 40. 40 by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 30 to 5s are 160 by 9. This like we have to multiply given fractions with a whole number. Okay. This like I will give some problems. Write down your homework book. Everyone must and should write all this in your textbook.